Hello guys, welcome back to Lan App. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to use Hacoo app. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So using the app itself is fairly easy because the UI that they have is fairly similar to other platforms out there. So first things first, you want to go ahead and install the Hacoo app here, and from here, let's go open it up. Now, in the app itself, you have 5 major or main UI or icons that you could access. So first, going to be the homepage. So your homepage will contain suggested products that you might want to buy or you might want to access. So you could go and click on the appropriate items here. Like for example, we have this, in this case, sweater that you could get. So you could go and scroll down a bit here and learn more regarding that product. So you could go ahead and even see some inspirations here. So some products that might actually fit your the specific aesthetic here. So yeah, you can go ahead and do that. And in this case, let's go ahead and start searching here. Now, if you want to go ahead and view the inspired products here, you could go ahead and click on it. And you can go and even view the reviews for inspired products. And also, if you want to add this to your cart, just click on add to cart here and choose whatever color. Let's go and choose this one. Click on confirm. Let's go and choose the size. Click on confirm. Let's go and go back. Now, in here, you can go ahead and add a comment for this specific product. You can even save this later on, heart this, or comment. So yeah, let's go and go back here. Now, if you want to search for a very specific product here or inspiration, you can go to the very top here, use a keyword and enter any keyword here. Like for example, we want to look for, let's just say, t-shirts. Let's go and choose t-shirt. It's going to give you different suggestions here, even view the product. So if you want to, now if you want to buy this, I'll go ahead and click on buy now. You see inspiration here. And if you want to access different options here, like for example, you want to access nearby. So basically, the homepage here allows you to search, view suggestions, or start adding products into your cart. Now, if you want to view your messages, you could go ahead and go to your messages at the very bottom here. Now, if you want to post content, you can go and click on the plus button here, and you could either choose post a photo or video. Now, if you want to view your cart, which in this case, if you added any items into your cart here, this is where you'll be viewing them. Now, you can even delete them by clicking on the delete or trash can icon that's up right here. And if you want to go and proceed in buying the item, you can go and click on checkout and just follow the on-screen steps. That includes providing your details like your address. So by the way, at the top left, you can go and select your address here and basically allow the app itself to view your address. But you can go and enter them manually if you want, but you need to provide some personal details here. So you can click on quit. Now, at the bottom right here, this is your profile, so you could go ahead and access a few things. Like, for example, if you want to share your profile, if you want to go ahead and view your posts, your saved, your liked, and whatever you viewed recently here, which is something very cool, especially if you missed something and you want to go and revisit if you are sure on buying that product. But yeah. So in this case, at the top right here, the 3-bar icon at the top right, you have the option to access your settings. So you can change your region, your language, your following stores. If you want to go and change that, update that, your addresses, your terms and policies here if you want to read them. And also you can change your gender here just in case. Now you could also switch accounts here and sign in if you want. But yeah, so those are the basics here on, in this case, how you start using the Hacoo app here. But yeah, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to your lineup. Thank you for watching.